How to turn off auto download photos using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download photos using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and then just here you will find when connected on Wi-Fi. Click on it and click photos, first one here, and click OK. And as you see, that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.